Hey everyone, I hope you had seen the previous video and have really gone through it properly where we were dealing with congruency. Once again, congruency. So before watching this, please watch the first part. Clear? So congruency means that the triangles should be equal in all respect. Means all the three angles should be equal of one triangle should be equal to the other, and all the three sides should be equal to the other, isn't it? So we say that these two triangles are congruent, and this is the symbol of congruency. And I hope that we had studied side, angle, side, where the triangles can, this is a condition where the triangles can be congruent using side, angle, side, side, and angle, side, angle. So here we had finished our lecture over here as side, angle, means if the side is between two angles. Now we shall be starting with angle, side. Now what is this angle, side? Okay, now so before we start this, my dear, what we are going to do is have a look that for that if two triangles are given, such that if two angles of one triangle is equal to two triangles of the other triangle, isn't it? Two triangles of one triangle should be equal to two angles of the other, and any of the corresponding side, once again we are using corresponding, means जिस रूप में यहाँ पे है सेम रूप में यहाँ पर भी होना चाहिए. As it is given over here, it should be in the same style and same format. Means if we are taking a particular side, this one, then it should be this side only in the other triangle. Means this side, if we have taken this particular side opposite to the single arc, similarly we have to take this side only opposite to this single arc. Means here if we have ABC and DEF as two triangles in which angle B is equal to angle C, B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F, and AC should be equal to DF. Let us take right here corresponding sides. If the corresponding side is given equal, then we would say that these two triangles would be congruent by which respect? By angle, see, angle, and one side which is given as the corresponding one. So by using angle, side, we would say that these two particular triangles are congruent. Now if in the same triangle, if instead of giving you these two particular sides, if I would give you this two sides or the included side as equal, then the same triangle would be congruent by which condition? By angle, side, angle, and not by angle, side. That is why this is really more important than the previous one. Okay, so by now we have studied side, angle, side conditions like side, angle, side, then side, side, side. Then we studied angle, 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 side, angle, and then angle, angle, side. Now we will be studying RHS. Some of the kids, they say right hand side. Okay. However, it is not right hand side. It is right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle hypotenuse side means here if we are talking about right angle, naturally the triangle involved should be right angle triangle only. So this particular right RHS, right angle hypotenuse side criteria is only applicable for a right angle triangle. So once again, let us write this. Let us draw the figure and write RHS, which would mean that if these two triangles, if these two right angle triangles, not triangles, if these two right angle triangles are given such that the hypotenuse is also equal and any of the corresponding side, once again I am talking about the corresponding side, means if this is 60 degree over here, this angle should also be 60 degree and this side should be taken. Not that if I have taken this particular side over here and I would take this particular side over here. So we say that in these two right angled triangles, if the right angle is already given, if we are talking about right angle triangles, so right angle is already there. If the hypotenuse is also given that they are equal, what do you mean by the hypotenuse? The side, this is the side which is opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. Means the right angle is given and the side opposite to the right angle, which is our hypotenuse, is equal, and the corresponding one of the corresponding side is also given equal. So these two triangles would be congruent by the criteria right angle hypotenuse side. So out of all of them, that is side, angle, side, once again, then we have side, 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 then we have angle, side, angle, then we have angle, angle, side, and then RHS means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of all these 5, any one will be applicable to any particular two triangles. So if one of them is not applicable, which you are thinking, that doesn't mean that that is the end of our search. We have to see whether all the other 4 are also, from all the other 4, are any one of them applicable to these two particular triangles. Okay, come on. For example, here in this particular sum only, if we take, if the hypotenuse here is not given, this is not given, okay, as congruent, as equal, and if they say that in these two right angle triangle, if this side, that is A, B, C and D, E, F, in ABC and DEF, if AB is equal to DE, angle B is equal to 90 degree and BC equal to EF, so the kids, as soon as they see that they have got 90 degree, that is right angle, the only thing that flashes in their brain is RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. But let me remind you that here hypotenuse, which is AC and DF over here, is not given equal. Therefore, Let us check. One side is there, fine. The other side is also there, and one of the angle which is 90 degrees also there, means a side, angle, side. So of course these two triangles are congruent. By which respect? Not by RHS, not by RHS, RHS, not by RHS, but by side, angle, side. I hope you got the difference between using side angle side and right angle hypotenuse side. Let us do few sums which would really enhance our thinking about how to make two triangles congruent. Clear? So for the sums, please stay tuned. Okay.